If ever I had a video, would you dance in it? Would you dance in it, in it? Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in.
What's up, Mommy Lay's YouTube channel? This is my first video that will be posted on Mommy Lay's YouTube channel. And hello, you guys. I am new. I'm going to be posting some videos now and then on Mommy Lay's blog. And I am MLGirl Brooke, which is poppin'. Yes. Today, I'm going to show you guys my really cute setup of my August box. Like, oh my gosh, this is my favorite box. I can't lie. Like, honestly, from my heart, this is my favorite box. Why? Because I added the cutest little jewels on the front. I even added a little jewel to my unicorn to make her a little unique, okay? And I added some jewels on the back. Like, I'm obsessed with this planner, as you can see. Like, I've given her so much love and tenderness and affection. It only seems right. And then on top of that, I got this beautiful pen recently in my welcome box, and I think she might be the one pen that needs to be added. And I've already added a little bookmark, so I think I'm gonna just go like this. And oh my gosh, she just became perfect. Like, officially, she's perfect, y'all. She's beautiful. I'm loving on her. Let's just get inside. Let's see what she's looking like. Okay? So, oh wow, I am messing her up already. Okay. So, the next, opening up. I haven't added too much to the pockets yet because I literally have just been like uber excited. Really love this. Like, this box is my favorite. I added my own little touches on it, but like I said, this box is my favorite. And August was the galaxy theme, and oh my goodness, I got the little die cuts here. Wow. I laminated them and just put these two little die cuts in the front, and this is another die cut also. I love this. So I just want you guys to jam out. My name is Planner Babe Brooke on Instagram. You can also find my YouTube channel, Brooke Love, on Instagram, where I'll probably have a little bit more detailed video about everything. But right now, I just want you guys to just love on everything that is a little piece of the box everywhere throughout this planner. So keep watching. This is from the September box. I really wanted to show you guys this. I made this the other day. I'm gonna have a video on how to make these cute little die cut dashboards. This is from the September box. Because I'm a part of the team, I was able to get a early access into them. So just get a glimpse. Oh my goodness, you're gonna want this box too. And I kind of feel like, as obsessed as I am with this box, I'm probably gonna be even more obsessed because it's pink everywhere. And I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. And these are also a part of that box also. Just wanted to tell y'all that little tidbit. This is also from the September box. Amazing. Just so cute. So cute. Like, I'm so ready for this box to come out. I made this little dashboard. So this dashboard is from the September box. Obsessed. I'm like crazy obsessed with this. Like, the cuteness. So if you're feeling my videos, if you're liking videos by me, hit that like button and make sure you hit that subscribe button, because Mommy Lay's blog and videos and everything is just popping right now. And oh my gosh, I love this planner. This is bae. I'm really obsessed with it. Like, stay tuned. More on this planner for sure. And definitely stay tuned because my September box is going to be crazy. Thanks for watching. I'm Planner Bae Brooke. See you later.